Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making sheet pan pork chops and oven roasted potatoes. Alright, I'm starting out on a large sheet pan. I have some baby potatoes and I cut up a few russet potatoes because I didn't quite get enough baby potatoes. I'm going to start by spraying these down with a little bit of olive oil. If you don't have a sprayer, just coat your potatoes in a bowl with some oil. And you want to coat them good so your seasoning sticks. Now I'm using my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. If you don't have this, use a little bit of salt and pepper and granulated garlic or garlic powder. And I'm going to season these potatoes rather well. Now I'm going to put these in a 430-degree oven for 15 minutes. We're going to give these a head start because it's going to take them longer to cook than the pork chops. Alright, while our potatoes are baking, we're going to make a sauce for over top the pork chops. In this bowl I have 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar. To that I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And I'm just eyeballing this. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay. Now I'm going to add in a tablespoon and a half of garlic. If you're using fresh, use about a clove. I'm going to add in a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce, and I'm using it to reduce sodium because soy sauce is so salty. A tablespoon and a half of Worcestershire sauce. And a tablespoon and a half of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to mix this up well and set it aside just for now. Right now that my potatoes baked for 15 minutes, I'm going to move them off to the side because we're going to make room for the pork chops. And I used a big sheet pan because I have a family-sized pack of pork chops. Now I'm using boneless pork chops, but bone-in pork chops will work just fine. And I'm going to get them onto the tray here. And you'll have to adjust your potatoes around a little bit. Now I'm going to take some of that sauce we made and I'm going to put that over top of the pork chops. And guys, this is smelling good already. Imagine when it's done. Now I'm going to turn the pork chops over and I'm going to sauce up the other side. That way we get maximum flavor on our chops. After I get the other side covered in sauce, I'm going to put this back in that 430-degree oven for 15 more minutes. Alright, my pork chops baked for those 15 minutes. Now I turned my broiler on high and it's getting hot. I'm going to put these under the broiler about 8 inches down for 7 to 10 minutes or so till the pork chops get caramelized and the potatoes start to crisp up. I also went ahead and made some buttery peas to go with this. Get in here and try some of this pork chop. Guess I need a knife for that. Need to get sharper forks. And my peas are bailing out on me, guys. Pork chops are well seasoned. That sauce is delicious. Sort of like a homemade barbecue sauce. Let me try some potato. See, they're nice and creamy. Potatoes are creamy, crispy on the outside, well seasoned. That's really delicious, guys, and it was really easy. Alright, there you have it. Sheet pan pork chops and oven roasted potatoes. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.